If you have this kind of question under integration, to do this is very easy. If you have been watching my video on integration, I've integrated integration by parts. I've done that. Use substitution. I've done different methods. So this is a continuation of my previous solving I've been doing. In this video, we are going to integrate rational fractions. To solve this question is very easy. Stop wasting time. But to do this, you must know how to divide this s squared over s plus 1 using long division method. You can either call it long division method or you call it division algorithm method, but it's most commonly known as long division method. So first and foremost, we are going to divide s squared by s plus 1. S squared here is our dividend, while s plus 1 is our divisor. So we are going to divide that using long division method. I'm going to take solution. I'm going to start with the long division method first before I integrate. So we are going to have this s squared over 1 plus 1 ds using long division method. Like I said, you can call it long division method or division algorithm method. It depends on the one your teacher is telling you in the class. It's still the same thing. So using long division method to divide, we are dividing s squared divided by what? S plus 1 using long division method. We are going to have this. This our dividend will enter inside, while this divisor will come out, s plus 1. Long division method is very easy. To complete this, we are going to add plus 0s plus 0. Now this s, we are going to use this s to divide s squared. When s go into s squared, it's remaining what? S. Now you use this s to multiply s plus 1. So we say s plus 1 times what? S. I'm going to be solving this here so that we understand it better. S times x is what? S squared plus s times y is what? S. So this will now come here, s squared plus s. Now we are going to subtract. S squared minus s squared is 0. That one will cancel. S times 0 is 0. Plus 0 is 0. So minus times plus s will give us minus s. I know some will say they don't understand. Let me break it down here. We have s squared plus 0s plus 0 minus s squared plus s. If we break this down, we have s squared plus 0s plus 0 minus times plus s squared is minus s squared. Minus times plus is minus s. So s squared cancel s squared. Like I said, 0 times s is 0. Everything here we are going to forget that. We'll be left with what? Minus s. We now write minus s here. We bring this plus 0 down like this. Now we are going to use this s to divide minus s. S divided by minus s will give us what? Minus 1. So we also use this minus 1 to multiply everything here. Minus 1 times s is what? Minus s. Minus times plus 1 is what? Minus times plus 1 is minus 1. Minus s minus s we cancel out. Minus plus 0 minus 1 is what? Plus 1. So that is the end of this division method. Let me just separate this out. I only use this to explain. My main focus is here. So using long division method, we use s plus 1 to divide s squared. This is what we got. such that this our integration here will now be integral sine of s square over s plus 1. It will now be in this form. We are going to have this s minus 1 is called our quotient. So we are going to pick the quotient first. We are going to say s minus 1. Then the next thing we are going to pick is our remainder. Our remainder is what? Plus 1. Plus 1 over our divisor is what? S plus 1. S plus 1. Everything what? The s. If we separate this, we are going to have integral sine s minus 1 ds plus integral sine 1 over s plus 1 ds. Please, if you know you don't understand, you can ask your question. Now I'm going to integrate this. If I integrate this, I've already taught you upon how to integrate, so I don't need to talk more on this. If I integrate this, I'm going to have s square over 2 minus, that is s times s is what? S square over 2 minus 1 times s is minus s plus. Now if I integrate this in this form, if we have 1 over s plus 1, you can use a natural log for it, or you use normal logarithm. So here I'm using log. So here I'm going to have log s plus 1 plus constant c. So this is our answer for this kind of question. If you have any question to ask, you are free to ask. This is the answer to this kind of question here. If you know you don't understand, ask your question in the comment section. If you know you understand, you can help me to share this video to your friends, to relatives. You can help me to like and share. You can also follow my page for more maths content. See you in my next video. Bye for now.